travelers, and welcome to or welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. We, as you saw, have just returned from our Southern Alberta road trip with CanaDream. Don't even worry about it. There are still more adventures to come, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit at the end of this video. But before I do that, I wanted to give you guys a really quick review of our experience with CanaDream, and also just take this time to say thank you to CanaDream RVs for sponsoring this trip and sending us on the adventure of the summer. It was everything that I needed, especially right now with everything that's going on in the world. It was just so nice to get away and escape and relax and adventure. So if you missed our previous videos in this series, definitely hop back and check them out after this one. I will link them down below, and I will also leave a link for CanaDream. So if you want to plan a road trip of your own, you can check them out for this fall or the spring, or really whenever you're watching this. There's never a bad time to enjoy a road trip. All that said though, and you can probably see where this is going, but let's jump into a more in-depth review of our experiences. So for this trip, we chose the Maxi Travel Camper, their truck camper. CanaDream offers a variety of different RV types, but we chose the truck for a couple of different reasons. The first being that it was our first RV experience, and I'm not gonna lie, we were a little bit intimidated about the idea of picking up and driving a full-size camper into the national parks and taking it camping and just everything that comes with that. You know, we didn't really know how that was gonna go. So with the truck camper, it's only a little bit larger than your average size truck. So it's still super easy to maneuver, and it fits into standard parking spaces and really offers an extra level of comfort without sacrificing on the amenities. And that is the key thing about the truck camper over anything else, was that all of the features that we wanted in it were still there. We weren't losing features. They were just more compact, yet comfortable and spacious. Obviously, being new to the RV game, we didn't really know where to start in our search. So the staff at CanaDream was also incredibly helpful. Their website has a little live chat box that you can reach out and talk to someone in real time. And they were super responsive to our emails, so friendly. So they were a huge help in choosing which vehicle was gonna be perfect for us. So obviously, if you are looking into a trip with them and you have any questions, it really is so easy to reach out and get some input into which vehicle is going to be best for you. Their on-site staff was also super friendly. We had a fantastic experience at check-in, and they got us set up with all of the information that we needed to properly take care of and operate the RV during our trip, because again, newbies. So they did give us a little walk around of the vehicle and provided us with some paperwork and a user's guide or a guest guide. So if we needed any help, we could refer to that. And they also got us set up with some convenience kits. So basically with CanaDream, you can do a vehicle rental where you pretty much bring your own camping gear, or you can purchase convenience kits for your trip. So they outfit the RV for you. Our convenience kits had everything from cups and mugs and plates and cutlery, cooking gear. We got some camping chairs, and then all of the blankets and sheets and pillowcases and towels and everything that we needed to have a comfortable stay, sleep, and experience. So definitely, if you are coming from a location where you aren't super close to home, or if you're flying in to pick up your RV, then the convenience kits are 100% the way to go. And I have to say, the bed in the camper, and with the blankets and all the sheets and everything on it, was so comfortable. I don't know if it was just that, or in combination with how quiet the world is right now, but it was some of the best sleeps that I've had this summer/fall. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. And then speaking of convenience, I did just lastly want to touch on the social distancing aspect of this trip, because if you are watching this in real time, that is totally something that is happening in the world right now with, the C word. So part of the reason why RV travel sort of jumped to the top of our radar and was requested by you guys was because of everything that was going on with travel restrictions right now and how everything's changing so much. We were definitely looking for alternative ways to get away and travel and do it like safe and responsibly. So RVs just, I mean, it just seemed like a natural transition. You get to keep all of your stuff with you in one space. That space is yours. No one else is coming in and out. You can bring that same space with you from location to location, and you're not like changing I guess touch points, if you will, and then you have your own space to go back to. And with the truck camper, there's also a lot of great spots that you can access that are a little bit more quiet than like the super popular tourist destinations right now, or I guess local tourist destinations right now. So it made social distancing super, super easy. We did bring masks along on our trip for like gas station stops and just in case we needed to pop into the grocery store for one reason or another. And then of course for check-in and check-out, we were required to wear a mask. But other than that, there were very few instances where we had to have a mask on. And that was also really nice because as much as I enjoy traveling and want to try out as many different types of travel as possible safely during this time, I also don't love the idea of like having to have my mask on for all of the different activities that I'm doing. So if I can find ways to get out and explore and not put anybody else at risk, that's gonna be the way to go. So that's gonna be it for the review portion of this video. And then I did just quickly want to announce what our next adventure is going to be. I'm so excited to let you guys know that we are going to do a little bit more exploring a bit closer to Edmonton here. We did some travel around Southern Alberta and it was beautiful, but just like less than an hour from where I live in Edmonton is Elk Island National Park, and there are some exciting new accommodations that just opened up at Elk Island Retreat, some beautiful glamping geodomes that I'm going to visit, review, and share with you guys, and hopefully scope out some more exciting wildlife. It's gonna be great. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. I'm so excited to keep the adventures going. So yeah, I hope you'll stick around. And until I see you in Elk Island, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you there. Bye guys.